Namaste, hi, and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I'm using this orange shade as a base for my eye makeup. I'm blending it well over the crease line area. Same goes for the other eye too. Next, I'm using this dark brown shade and applying it only on the outer corner of my eye and giving it a nice blend. Follow the same step for the other eye too. Next, I'm using this shimmery shade only on the inner corner of my eyes and giving it a proper blend. I'm repeating the same process for the other eye too. Now I'm using the same dark brown shade to intensify the outer corner of my eye. Same goes for the other eye too. Take an eyeliner and draw a thin wing line. It makes your eye pop with the overall look. Repeat the same process for the other eye too. Finish the look by adding some mascara. Never miss a mascara, cause mascara alone will make your eye look presentable. For the finishing touch, add some shimmer on the inner corner and the brow bone area and complete the look. So that's all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.